Welcome back, guys. It's time to check back in with the Mad Dogs of Science here on Living Oklahoma.
Now, there's a war going on in the lab, and our favorite mad scientists are drawing their weapons. Let's see what they're up to.
Let's see.
Yes, we are the Dogs of Science.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. We're so excited to be here. And today we're going to talk about weaponry. I like this. We're going to be making catapults, okay?
Trebuchet's better, but let's go.
But we're going to make catapults, okay? So this is what we're going to do. For this exercise, you need craft sticks, rubber bands, plastic spoon, and something to launch. In my case, it's going to be marshmallows, okay?
You see, I already picked that.
You already did that. Okay, so tell me what I need to do. I take two of them.
you take two craft sticks and then you put a rubber band on the bottom of that.
Okay, put a rubber band on the bottom of it. These rubber bands are long. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put this rubber band across the bottom of it.
Then you take 3 craft sticks.
You said 2.
Now you take 3.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now I've got it across the bottom. So now what do I do?
You put one here and one here.
Okay, put a rubber band on each end. Oh, so we're making like a really thick craft stick, right?
Yeah. And then you can look at this and understand the rest, right?
Okay, I don't know. That looks pretty complicated. Okay, so this is what I've got. I've got 2 craft sticks here, and you want me to put one at each end?
Yes, and then let me open it for you.
Oh, then we're going to open it up in the middle. Okay.
And slide that 3 one through there.
Okay, open it up in the middle like that. Okay, slide that in there. Okay. Okay, now what?
Now I remember what we're supposed to do. Then we put that.
Another one on top.
there.
Okay. Okay, how about if we do this? Okay, I'm looking at yours. There's not another one on top. Okay, I'm going to cross this.
Oh, there isn't.
No, there isn't. I'm going to cross this.
You see,
That one's too big.
spin.
Okay.
Here you go. That one's.
Oh, that's a thick one. Good. Okay. I'm going to put a rubber band here. So I've got it like that, like a cross. And then we'll put this on here. We'll cross this. I can't get it right. What do I need to do?
Dude, just turn the rubber band the other way.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Okay. Makes so much sense when you say that. Okay, let me see the spoon. All right, so I'm going to put the spoon right there.
Load them up.
I'm going to turn this a little bit more. And there we go. So there. Okay, so I've got it tight in there. Oh, I need one more. And we're going to put this right here because you've got one at the end there, right? To hold the spoon at the end. All right. All right, all right. Okay, so this is what we're doing. We've got that all done that way. One more turn there, and we've got that spoon there. Now, I remember this part. So this is what we do. We take a marshmallow, we put it in here, hold this end down, turn that spoon, and then launch it. You ready?
Yeah.
You gonna launch it with me?
Sure. Officer Jerome, are you ready?
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. They both hit Jeremy. Pretty cool. Okay, so here's the thing. This is so cool. How does the catapult work?
Well, the catapults we made use elastic potential energy stored in the wooden stick and the spoon.
Okay.
When we bend it down, it has stored energy. When you let go, this stored energy is released, converted into energy of motion, and transferred to the marshmallow, which then flies through the air.
And it's Jeremy.
Yes.
Okay.
By the way, I have eaten one of the marshmallows,
I
and now
saw
2.
that. I saw that. Okay, so here's the thing. If you're excited about what we're doing here, make sure you follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and keep up with all the madness on our website. One more thing. We are going to have a spring break camp this spring where we're going to be making inventions like this.
Nice.
How cool is that?
That's amazing.
Back to you in the studio. Thanks so much for having us here on Living Oklahoma.
Bye.
We'll be back on Friday for our Mad Science finale around 10:45 a.m.
Yeah, and like they mentioned, be sure to set your DVRs, follow them, because you do not want to miss out on all the fun they're whipping up. And you can even try these experiments at home with your family. Just watch those instructions closely, because I will lose track.
And remember to visit okcmadscience.org for more educational resources.